Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can copy a TikTok caption. So let's dive right in. First, open your TikTok app and scroll through until you find the video you want to copy the caption from. For example, let's go with this video. Next, click on the share icon and then select Copy Link. After you've copied the link, go back and open your browser. In your browser, search for SS TikTok and open the first link that appears. Once you're on the website, paste the link you copied into the box and click Download. After clicking Download, you'll see the video's caption displayed on the page. To copy the caption, simply hold down on it and select Copy. Now, you've successfully copied the caption and you can use it as you wish. I hope you found this process easy and that you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon.